guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing how to convert higher level equations into quadratic equations. Let's get started. Solve the equation 4x power 4 minus 17x squared plus 4 is equals to 0. So you start by substituting let u is equals to x squared. Then u square will be equals to x power 4. So that means this can be changed to u square and this can be changed to u. So I'm going to write 4u square minus 17u plus 4 is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So I'm going to do middle term breaking. It's going to be minus 16u here minus u plus 4 equals 0. So we can take 4 and u common. So u minus 4. And then we can take minus 1 common. So u minus 4 equals 0. So we have u minus 4 in one bracket and 4u minus 1 in the other equals to 0. So u equals 4 or u equals 1 by 4. Now we know u is actually equals to x squared. And we're supposed to find the value of x because this equation is in terms of x. So we replace u with x squared. So we get x squared is equals to 4 and x squared equals 1 over 4. Now take square root on both sides to get rid of the square on x. So we get x is equals to plus minus 2. Do not forget the plus minus 2. And x equals plus minus half. Okay. Now let's do another question. So solve this equation x minus 4 square root of x minus 21. So again we start by substituting let u is equals to square root of x. And then u square will be equals to x. So we replace this x with u square and we replace the square root of x with u. So the equation becomes u square minus 4u minus 21 is equals to 0. Now we'll do middle term breaking. U square minus 7u plus 3u minus 21 equals 0. So u minus 7 plus 3 u minus 7 equals 0. So u plus 3 in the first bracket and u minus 7 in the other. And the first value for u is minus 3 and the other value for u is 7. Now we're supposed to replace u with square root of x. So let's do that. Square root of x equals minus 3 and square root of x equals 7. Now a very common mistake students make is that they say take square root on both sides. Sorry, take square on both sides. So that just works fine over here. And that gives you x is equals to 49, which is true. Square root of 49 is 7. However, this method fails at this end. If you do square root on both sides, square on both sides, you get x is equals to 9, which is untrue because if you take square root of 9, you get a 3, not a negative 3. So in this case, you just need to take a look at this question and write no solution with this equation. Why? Because no such real number exists whose square root is minus 3. So you either write no solution or better write no real solution. So yeah, that's it with this question. Let me copy the next one. Next question, solve the equation x upon x, 8 upon x power 6 plus 7 upon x cube is equals to 1. So we can take x power 6 up, so that becomes x power minus 6 plus bring x cube in the denominator to the numerator, that becomes x power minus 3. So now we start with let x minus 3 is equals to u. So x minus 6 is equals to u square. So then we have 8u square plus 7u. And I'm bringing 1 to this side. Minus 1 is equals to 0. So I'm going to factorize this 8u square plus 8u minus u minus 1 is equals to 0. 8u is common. u plus 1, minus 1 is common, u plus 1 equals 0. So 8u minus 1, u plus 1 equals 0. So 8, first solution is u is equals to 1 over 8. And the other solution is u is equals to minus 1. Now u has to be replaced with x power minus 3 equals to 1 over 8, and x power minus 3 is equals to negative 1. Now to get rid of the power minus 3, how do I change x minus 3 into just x? By multiplying this with reciprocal of the same power. So I'll multiply this with minus 1 over 3, and we'll also have to multiply this with minus 1 over 3. Multiply this with minus 1 over 3 and this with minus power minus 1 over 3 as well. So this becomes x equals 1 over 8 power minus 1 over 3 is, I believe, 2. Yes. So one answer is 2 and the other answer is x equals 2. This will stay minus 1. So these are the answers for the equation. Another one. So let u equals x power 1 over 3, and then u square will be equals to x power 2 over 3. So we have 2u square minus u minus 10 is equals to 0. So the factors would be minus 5u plus 4u minus 10 equals 0. So u is common, 2u minus 5, and then plus 2 is common, 2u minus 5 equals 0. U plus 2, 2u minus 5 equals 0. U equals minus 2 and u equals 5 upon 2. Now replace u with 2 upon 3. So x power 1 over 3 equals minus 2 and x power 1 over 3 equals 5 over 2. Now to get rid of the power 1 over 3, we'll have to multiply 3 in the power. So basically take cube on both sides. So this becomes x, this becomes minus 8, and this becomes x, and this becomes 125 over 8. So these two are the answers for the quadratic equation, for this given equation. Alright, so that's it from this topic. I'll see you next time. Take care.